Welcome to Gilas Radio. And today, makakarinig tayo ng isang istoryang magpapaantig sa ating puso at magbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat isa. She was an emblem of courage, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of truth in the face of adversity. She was Eloisa Hilao, and let's hear her story.
In a bustling street of Manila, a spirited young woman found her voice within the vibrant student activist community. We see Eloisa Hilao, a determined and passionate student journalist, surrounded by stacks of papers and a typewriter. She is furiously typing an article when a voice suddenly appears.
Welcome everyone. Today, we gather to discuss our commitment to social justice.
Ito na ang panahon para sa pagbabago. Hindi pwede na palagi tayong tahimik sa mata ng hustisya. Kailangan natin lumaban.
Tama ka dyan, Eloisa. At alam mo, marami na nakakabasa ng mga articles na sinulat mo. Nagsisimula makinig at mamulat ang mga tao mula sa kawalan ng katarungan ng gobyerno.
Mabuti naman at maraming nakakabasa. At ngayon, kailangan na natin magplano.
Let's organize rallies and demand accountability from the authorities.
Together, we can be the change our society needs. Eloisa, your courage is a guiding light.
Justice for all! Accountability now! Justice for all! Accountability now! Tigil niyo ang protesta!
As the voices of the dissent grow louder, Eloisa and her fellow activists confronted the authorities on the university campus.
Maghiwalay kayo ng hindi! Kung ginagawa nyo ay hindi lang!
We won't be silenced. We need justice and transparency.
Justice for all! Accountability now! Justice for all! Accountability now!
Eloisa, they can ignore us. We're making a difference.
In the dim light of their house, Eloisa slowly walked in as she sensed something is happening inside their house.
Buti naman at dumating ka din.
Sino kayo? Anong ginagawa niyo dito sa bahay namin?
I'm Lieutenant Arthur Castillo of CANU and I'm here to arrest you.
Nangangalay na ba ang iyong likod? O di naman kaya ay inaantok ka na? Pwes, tikman mo itong STI Coffee Bar. Panigurado, magigising ka dito at gaganahan ka muling mag-aral. Kaya naman, samahan niyo akong patikman nito sa mga STI students na makikita ko. Tara!
Wow, mukhang masarap ito ah! Wow, ang sarap! Parang lalo kong gaganahan mag-aral nito.
Ang bagong STI Coffee Crisp Bar ay muling magpapatamis at magpapagising sa inyong araw. Kaya naman mga ka-STIers namin, pag natikman nyo to, Hindi ako sasama. Wala naman kayong warrant of arrest and that identification card you present is not a warrant.
If you will not surrender, now I will make you surrender.
Eloisa, sumama ka na lang. Kesa sasaktan ka pa nila.
Hindi ako sasama sa inyo hanggat wala kayong pinapakita na papel. Nasa batas na kailangan ng warrant of arrest bago nyo ako kunin.
As what Lieutenant Arthur said, he then started to slap and beat Eloisa in front of her family in her house. Her family cannot do anything to intervene because they were threatened to.
Tama na! Tama na. Itigil nyo na yan. Please lang.
I will stop for now, but tomorrow, I'll come back and make you pay for all the articles you write about our government.
The fight for justice took a dark turn as Eloisa was arrested without warrant for her outspoken views. Eloisa sits in a dimly lit cell, her courage unbroken despite the circumstances.
You're under arrest.
For your outspoken views, no warrant needed.
Kahit man ako'y nakakulong, hindi ako tatahimik. Hindi ako susuko. Patuloy akong lalaban.
Eloisa, ang tapang mo ay nagbibigay ng pag-asa at kalakasan sa akin.
Hoy, tumahimik kayo dyan. Iingay nyo.
In confines of detention, Eloisa's spirit remained unbroken, inspiring her fellow detainees. Eloisa is interrogated and detained by authorities. Her unwavering spirit and determination to uphold truth terrified those who seek to silence her.
Kailangan mo na itigil ang pagsusulat mo ng mga yan at tumahimik sa kung anumang pinaglalaban mo dahil kung hindi, mawawala lahat ng pinaghirapan mo.
Eloisa voice stifled, but in her mind truth cannot be caged.
Kahit patahimikin at saktan nila ako, ang aking diwa ay mananatili sa puso ng mga naghahangad ng katarungan. Nakakulong man tayo ngayon, ngunit hindi ang ating determinasyon na mapaglaban ang ating karapatan. Kaya natin to, malalampasan natin ito ng sama-sama.
Ang pagiging matatag mo ay nagbibigay ilaw sa aming lahat.
Hindi nila tayo mapapabagsak. Patuloy tayong lalaban para sa bayan, para sa mas mabuti at magandang bansa.
Eloisa, dahil sa mga sinulat mo, nagkaroon kami muli ng pag-asa.
After 3 days of being in detention center, Eloisa faces a tragic happening in her life, where she beaten endlessly despite of her being a woman. They beat her to death without any mercy. The echoes of Eloisa's courage took a somber turn as her life was tragically cut short under suspicious circumstances.
Eloisa, ano ang kanilang nagawa sa'yo?
We did everything we could, but her injuries were severe. Her legacy lives with her.
Nagbigay siya ng inspirasyon, ng pag-asa sa ating lahat para ipaglaban ng karapatan ng bawat isa. Paano nila nakuhang magawa to?
We were helpless. The system failed her.
In the face of tragedy, Eloisa's family and those who knew were wrestled with grief and the burning desire to seek justice for her timely demise.
Hindi pwedeng matapos ang lahat dito. Hindi pwedeng matapos ang pinaghirapan ni Eloisa. Natin lahat. Kailangan natin ilantad ang katotohanan at panagutan nila ang kanilang ginawa.
Eloisa's fight isn't over. We will continue in her honor.
The hospital room, once filled with the echo of medical equipment, now carried the weight of movement determined to unveil the truth behind Eloisa's passing.
Even if they silence me, my spirit will endure in the hearts of those who yearn for justice.
Eloisa's Hilau's legacy became a rallying cry for justice, inspiring a movement that echoed through the heart of those who refused to forget.
Hindi kami titigil hanggat hindi nabibigay ang hustisya.
Eloisa never forgotten. Justice for all. Eloisa never forgotten. Justice for all. Let's carry on Eloisa's fight. Our struggle is not over.
Sinaktan nila ako ng walang humpay. Pinagsusuntok, sipa, sampal, at buhos na mainit na tubig. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng mga yon, nasa puso ko pa rin ang ipaglaban ng tama mula sa pamumunong hindi tama. Nakakapagod man at nakakawala ng pag-asa. Pero alam ko na may mga taong naniniwala sa akin. May mga tao ang namulat sa katotohanan mula sa aking mga sinulat. At alam ko na kahit mawala man ako, may magpapatuloy ng aking nasimulan. My story is not just mine. It's the story of those who refuse to be silenced. I am an echo, a beacon for those who fight for truth. I will proudly say that I am Eloisa Hilao, an activist who fought by writings about the death of democracy in the Philippines under the martial law.
In the echoes of Eloisa Silau's courage, a call for justice resonates, inspiring others to stand against oppression. Her legacy remembered.